Hello, and welcome to the latest in the Edge Highlights webinar series. Today we'll be talking about the top 5 features you should be thinking about when considering estimating software for your roofing business. Everybody has been muted for this webinar, but please feel free to type any questions that you have in the meeting box. Okay, let's get started. My name's Dave Chapman, and I'll be your presenter here today. I've been with the Edge working with roofing contractors for about 23 years now, and I've seen a lot of software companies come and go in the industry over that time. The features that were important in an estimating software a couple of decades ago have changed quite a bit. And today I'm going to talk about the 5 major ones that I think are most important today. I'll talk about these as they relate to the industry as a whole, and also talk about how the Edge embraces these features. All right, first off, let me tell you a little bit about the Edge. We started providing estimating software for roofing contractors back in 1986. So when I started in 2001, I thought it was very cool that the company has been doing this kind of tech for 15 years. Now here we are 38 years later, and we're still the leading software provider, estimating software provider in the roofing industry. If you look at the latest list of the top 200 roofing contractors in the US, over 75% of them are using the Edge as their estimating solution. We take a lot of pride in that, and we don't just rest on that knowledge. We're constantly listening to our feedback from our customers and creating new features based on what the industry is telling us what they need. All right, now let's get into the features. The first thing I want to talk about is the importance of your estimating solution being an all-in-one takeoff and estimating software. Now, there's a lot of measuring and takeoff tools available out there, and these are all a great first step in using technology for your office or for your estimating. But many people who use these measuring tools are transferring those numbers into some sort of spreadsheet for their actual estimates. This presents a danger as far as the transfer of data. Transposing numbers, entering them into the wrong cells, and so on. With an all-in-one software, changes are made to the estimate in real time as the takeoff occurs. If revisions need to be made after the bid has been done, they'll occur in real time too, so you don't have to re-enter any changes like you would with a spreadsheet or other methods. I can't stress the importance of having one consistent estimating method for all estimators that all the estimators understand as well. What I mean by that is, like in many cases with the spreadsheets, only the creator of the spreadsheet understands what the numbers are doing, and that sometimes leads to confusion or lack of confidence in the numbers for the other users. Having an all-in-one solution also allows an estimator to be nimble. What I mean by that is, say the owner of the building wants to see different options or different roofing system options. With a solution like the Edge, you can just bring in another manufacturer's system, map the measurements from your original bid into the new system. We call that our master, and quickly compare the cost between those different systems, so you can present like easily and quickly present like a good, better, best option. Okay, next, another important feature would be to have cloud-based data and security. There's many advantages to having cloud-based data, but the main points are that you can access your data from anywhere or any machine. In this mobile world of working remotely and having to travel, this becomes a very important feature. The cloud also allows you to have collaboration between multiple estimators or multiple people working from different locations. When you're working with a spreadsheet and sharing that between multiple people and multiple places, sometimes that can get confusing. Figuring out which estimate or which spreadsheet is the delta, or who has the older version of the bid. When talking about having multiple people working within the same bid, one of the things that I hear a lot is, how do you protect the integrity of the bid so that no one's putting the same or different price on the same product. The Edge has a check-in and check-out process that helps protect the integrity of the estimate. The security aspect of the cloud is important as well. Leaving bids on like a local computer or a local server leaves them vulnerable to attacks like ransomware and the like. The cloud is a secure off-site storage solution that's being backed up to several locations for data redundancy. Okay. The next important feature for your estimating solution is that it is specific to your trade. Spreadsheets and other generic estimating softwares are not catered specifically for the roofing trade, like something like the Edge. It's important for a software to be intuitive to what you're doing. Assemblies should be asking you questions the way you would build a roof. What type of membrane are you using? Is it mechanically fastened or is it fully adhered? What type of fasteners are you using? What kind and how many layers of insulation are you using? What type of primers and sealants are you using? The Edge even has the coverage rates per the manufacturer's specs already calculated. We also have plugins specifically for roofing, such as tapered installation module. It's very cool. It will lay it out for you. It'll give you how many of each size fastener you'll need, how many of each different size panel. Our standing seam layout module will help you lay out your metal roof, and it'll even give you a cut list. We're so specific to roofing that our lookups come pre-populated with all the main manufacturer's products, including their order units. What I mean is, like, if you're ordering your sealants in a pail or a bucket, and we've already got the coverage rates per the manufacturer specs in there. So having something that's specific for roofing is special. Another important feature to consider is your estimating solutions reporting capabilities. The importance of being able to create and share reports and data that help you review an estimate and run a job are extremely important. You need to consider reports that management would need to review an estimate. What type of reports do the project managers and field personnel need to complete the job effectively and efficiently? How do you create budgets in the accounting software? What reports do they need? All of these are important things to consider, but what's even more important is how you share these reports with the right people. How accessible are these reports? With the Edge, all of our reports are fully customizable. We can be printed, sent into Word, Excel, PDF. We even have a cloud reporting feature where anyone that you assign access to can view these reports on any device as long as they have some sort of internet connectivity. It's a huge time saver. It's very important for any estimating solution. I've seen a lot of sophisticated spreadsheets over the years, but unfortunately, the reporting capabilities of most of these are limited. So having that reporting capability, very big. Most people just think of an estimate as getting a number, but it's also something that's going to help you run your job as well. All right, and then the last feature that I want to talk about, which is similar to reporting, is the importance of your estimating software having the capability to communicate with other platforms within your business. How easy is the process of going from an estimate to budgeting and accounting? Does your estimating software talk directly with your accounting software? What field management software do you use, and if any at all? And does your estimating software talk with that? Does your estimating software have ways to save you time getting pricing from your suppliers or manufacturers? All of these are important features that will save you time. They'll save you money. They'll help your business operate more effectively. The Edge does communicate directly with most accounting softwares. We have a job site management app called Edge On Site that's very foreman friendly. We have a vendor quote feature within our estimating software that allows you to get pricing requests out to your suppliers that they can fill out online, and they'll automatically update inside of your estimate. You can even compare them side by side and choose which prices you want to accept, and boom, they go right into your software. All right. So those are really my top 5 features. Quick, short, and sweet. I think these are important for anybody looking at roofing estimating software. If you'd like to see a demonstration of how the Edge embraces these features, please visit our website right here, estimatingedge.com, or give us a call directly. And before I let you go, I just want to talk about, and if we get into any questions, just go ahead and type those in there. But I want to know if there's anything that I did or any features that you think are more important that I just talked about. And I also want to talk really quickly about some of the other solutions in our family of software products. We're owned by Foundation Accounting Software. They're the leading provider of accounting software for the construction industry. Our HQ suite includes Safety HQ, which is very popular with our roofing customers. We also have a payroll service for construction called Payroll for Construction, perfect name, and a best-in-class mobile time tracking software called WorkMax. Again, any of questions that you might have about the Edge or any of these other products, please let me know. I'll go see if there's any questions. I don't see any questions, so please feel free to reach out to me directly or go to our website or call us directly if you have any questions or if you'd like to set up a demo. I appreciate your time. Thanks. Have a great day.